I think your question was, do we think that the new language, the new like jargon that they're using around it is
Yeah, well,
relevant?
is that going to be efficient? Is it going to be helpful? Is it going to
I,
keep funds flowing to the community?
yeah, I think that it could, but I think that it will be it could be more inclusive, which you know it is what it is. Like if the term is underserved, then people who are in the underserved community might also include other folks who are not Black. I think that we in having the conversations around what we can and what we should do, definitely starting within our communities and starting with our families. And just thinking about that, I had a visceral reaction because that's hard, right? It's really I don't want to say hard, it's a challenge to get in alignment with other folks, but we have to do it for survival. And I think that that's one thing that we're missing from the pre-civil rights era, is that folks did what they had to do to survive. Even if they didn't like each other, they had to depend on each other. This person over here is growing okra, you over here you got chickens, and y'all got to barter back and forth, right? And we need to get back to that mentality. They have us so we're like frogs in the pot that's simmering. It's not hot, but we're all simmering in the pot. We don't realize sometimes until we have these conversations just how disadvantaged that we are, just how one or two paychecks away from poverty that we are. And because we have these comforts and these luxuries that maybe other folks may not have in other countries and other parts of the world, we are tricked into believing that we got it, and we don't.